As you're thinking about your favorite song, kind of start to play around with some of these different tools. You can kind of see kind of how they work. I drag, if I click fast, and kind of see. So I would do your first one. I would spend some time kind of playing around with just kind of see how the different tools work. So then you can start to think about which tools you think best represents your song. So I would literally go through every tool and kind of try a couple different clicks and figure out what you're going to get. Once you've done that, then I would go over here and click New. Then you're ready to start your design that's going to be representative of your song. And now that you know how every tool works, you're going to have a lot more control over your end result. Still, you won't have a lot. Then when you're ready to save, you're going to go over here to the up arrow and you're going to save high quality. Notice it says rename to .png. This is really important. So you're going to go to save high quality. And notice it says download. So you're going to call it the name of your song, or you can call it bomomo, but you have to do .png. You have to tell it what type of file name that you want. No, wait. So now that you have that, you should be able to turn it in on Canvas.